Hi, everyone from the Small Communications class. My name is Alexandra Cordone, and I do go by Alexa. I do get about 2 or 3 Alexa jokes probably a day that people ask me to turn off or turn the sound down. It's pretty funny. um, I am a psychology major. I am in my 4th year at Cal Baptist University. So it is my last year before I get my bachelor's in psychology. It is actually my last semester, so I will be getting my bachelor's at the end of this summer, and I will be graduating in August, so I'm super excited about that. I have been taking prerequisites as well as getting my credits for psychology to go into the physician's assistant schooling. Um, After I get my bachelor's, I do want to do about 1,000 hours of community service work, and I have about 5 more classes to take, which are labs, which obviously I can't take online. So I'm going to be taking those at a community college to then hopefully apply for the PA program at Cal Baptist University. When you're thinking about communications class, I think there is a lot of pros and cons to small groups. So I think there are more pros in my opinion than there are cons, but I mean, this is what this class is here to teach me, is what I don't know. So for small groups, I believe it's easier to kind of control what's going on. You can control exactly how people are thinking. You can kind of control the decisions that are being made inside the class more often. You can control basically the opinions of everybody a little bit better. Like if you guys are taking votes or you're deciding as a group, it's a little bit easier when the group is obviously smaller than if you had a larger group. There is some cons because, I mean, the more brains that you have, the easier it is to come up with the answers for stuff. So if you have, let's say, 5 people, it's going to be a little bit easier to find the answer for a question than if you only had 2 people, because those other 3 people might have a little bit more information than those 2 people that you had. But I believe that might be the only con, in my opinion, to having a small group. The size of groups I didn't really think affected anything until this first week of class. So that's something that I learned a lot about. But when you really think about it, I do think that it does have a big impact on it. There is something that I want to learn in this class, and it's exactly what the pros and cons of small groups are and how you can kind of manipulate what a small group is and how you can use it to your advantage. So that is something that I want to learn from this communications class. I do have one of the Bible verses that I feel like really goes along with this class and small group, which is Matthew 8:20. I'm sorry, it's 18:20. From where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am among them. I think this really says that you don't need a lot of people together, just 2, 3 people to really consider a gathering for God and Jesus. And it makes it so much more significant when there is more than one person gathered in their name. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I really think it applies to small group because obviously it is a smaller group that's gathered together, but they do make a big difference. So that's my opinion. Can't wait to see all you guys' videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.